Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this XIAOMI. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Now tap Allow and click on this red button to start your recording. If you want to pause it and unpause it, click on the same red button, and in order to save it, click on the right one over here. Now you need to enter name of your recording, and when you're done, save your changes by clicking OK. Then click on the same right button over here, now with 3 lines, to see a list of all your recordings. If you want to delete it, hold one of them, choose delete over here and tap delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!